Gary Lakey with Cleveland Spray Booth. We've been selling a Garmat product for 20 years. Well, this particular product here is our most popular product. This is a space saver type product. It's available in semi-downdraft and downdraft versions. The mechanicals are all integrated into this booth, which saves you floor space. You no longer have to have another stall to occupy the heating and the ventilation unit. It's very user-friendly. It's very service-friendly. All the Garmat products are very fast as far as temperature rise and the heating of the units. This allows for a much quicker process, a much cleaner process, allows for more flow, less rub time, and pretty much, you can increase profitability on a shop just with putting a spray booth in and using it correctly.
My name is Mike Gideon. I'm a painter at South of the Square Collision.
My name's Dan Miller, and my position is a prepper painter.
Garmat has helped improve our production with faster drying times and cleaner paint jobs. The built-in ceiling fans in the Garmat spray booth help with dry times.
If you got something wrong with the booth, you call them. They're right here to work on it and take care of the problem and get you going again. The booth itself is just a good quality booth. Yeah, I'd recommend them to anybody. Yeah, for sure.
My name is Steve Suppy, and I'm the Collision Center Director for Holman Automotive in South Florida. Our Collision Center is 35,000 square feet, and we currently have 3 Garmat 3000 31-foot downdraft spray booths, and also a Garmat double downdraft prep deck. We prefer Garmat spray booths because they're built in the US and have superior quality and reliability. They also have excellent lighting, the Accelicure feature, and superior airflow. At our Collision Center, we repair roughly 350 cars per month. Every single one of those cars goes through a Garmat spray booth. The booths are 31 feet long, enabling us to paint the car and the parts all at one time, which makes our shop much more productive. The direct fire burners offer us instant heat, and the Accelicure fans turn the spray booth into a convection oven, offering us much quicker dry times for waterborne product. So if you're seriously considering buying a new spray booth, take a hard look at Garmat. Garmat leads the industry in innovative design, and they're rugged and reliable.
My name is Mike Gideon. I'm a painter at South of the Square Collision.
My name's Dan Miller, and my position is a prepper painter.
I've been working with the Cleveland spray booth for approximately 2 years, and they give a great service. Anytime there's an issue, they come out and fix it for us promptly.
If you got something wrong with the booth, you call them. They're right here to work on it and take care of the problem and get you going again.
So I would recommend Cleveland spray booth to my peers.
Yeah, I'd recommend them to anybody.
My name is Steve Suppy, and I'm the Collision Center Director for Holman Automotive in South Florida. I've known Greg Stramberg and been doing business with Filterworks for over 25 years. We've purchased every single spray booth from their company, and they handle all the maintenance at every facility. The Filterworks team has been great. Whenever we have a problem, and we rarely do, they come out and take care of it. And their maintenance program has been excellent. One of the things that I love most about working with Filterworks on a project is they work with us from start to finish, from layout and design to coordinating with our contractor to the installation and the final product. Unlike most spray booth companies, Filterworks is a licensed contractor. They do everything with the city, including all the permitting. When you repair 350 cars a month, you can't stop in the middle of the day to do spray booth maintenance. Now Filterworks offers nighttime spray booth maintenance, which eliminates downtime and makes us much more productive. I would definitely recommend Filterworks. They offer turnkey solutions to spray booth installation and maintenance. In fact, we're using them for our facility in Pembroke Pines, where we'll be installing 3 new Garmat spray booths.
My name is Dean DeRoff, and I'm the owner here at Kumler Collision and Automotive.
I am Jeff Slagle. I am working here at Kumler Collision, and I'm an estimator here. When we were shopping for paint booths, we really liked the quality and the features of the Garmat booths. When we installed the 2 new Garmat paint booths, we went with a larger cabin size. The kind of work that we have here in our market, we do a lot of pickup trucks, and the beds are off. And so we used to have to do 2 separate booth cycles for one job. Now we're able to take the pickup truck and the bed and put them both in the same booth cycle together. So that's been a huge improvement on our production.
So it's helped our productivity a lot. It's helped us move cars through here faster. The newer booths are so efficient, and with these larger booths it costs less gas natural gas to bake a car now as they did with the smaller booth because they're so efficient. They move air extremely well and very uniformly over the car. So we have constant uniform drying over the car. So when we pull the car out of the booth and do anything, we can go to repair work on it right away. Service has been great. If we have an issue, we have them on a maintenance contract, so they come in every 6 months, just check everything on the booths. It's important that they're up and running and working well every day. And Garmat's done a really good job of doing that for us. So yeah, we're very happy.
I would definitely recommend Garmat to any other collision center. It's been great for us, and I think that anybody that would take a look at it would find that it serves them very well. It'll help them be a very strong competitor in this market and in this industry.